Welcome to Unity Goldfish. When you don't remember, here's a quick refresher. Let's set up Oculus Quest for 2019. First, go to Package Manager. Make sure your Advanced Show Preview Packages. Find Oculus XR plugin and install that. Scroll all the way to the bottom and get XR Plugin Management and install that. Finally, up here, which is the preview package now, is XR Interaction Toolkit. Let's install that. It's going to ask us to restart Unity in order to implement it, so let's do that. Go back into your package manager when it starts up. Find XR Interaction Toolkit again, and go to Default Input Actions and import those into the project. Next, with Control-Shift-B, and then Player Settings, let's go to Preset Manager. Scratch that. Let's go to XR Plugin Management, and let's use the Windows Oculus so that we can play test within the editor. And then when we build out, we want to build to Android. If you don't have the module, then you'll have to install it. And let's check Oculus there. We'll be coming back here in a second. Let's go to the XR Interaction Toolkit into Default Input Actions and go to the left and right controller. The left one at the top, in the inspector, it says Add to Action-Based Controller Default. Go ahead and do that. And the same with the right controller. Let's go back into our player settings. And now we can go to Preset Manager. And here we want to filter right to match with the right controller and left to match with left. Let's get out of that and go into our scene, right click, or go to the plus button and go to XR and the action-based room scale XR rig. This is going to use the new input system. Let's dive into it and make sure that the left-hand controller and all of its actions are to the left hand and to the right hand. That's what that filtering was doing. Finally, let's add Input Action Manager to the XR rig. It can go on anything. And then in the action assets, let's increase this size to 1 and drag our default input actions into the element. And that's it. You're set up and good to go.